Hello, good day. My name is Ronila Dandoy. My age is 47 years old and I am from Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, and I am an ex-abroad. My first country were Guangdong, China, and my duties are taking care of a boy age 2-year-old and bringing him to sleep, and my duties are bringing him to sleep, feeding him, and cooking food for him. And every day during the morning, we go to the park to have sunlight and play with him, read books with him, and then my second, when he's asleep, I do the household chores, which includes the cleaning and some cooking. But my primary work is taking care of him. And I work for their family 3 years. 3 years, almost 3 years, from 2008 to 2011. And then I went to school. After that, 2017, I went to Hong Kong. I stayed in Hong Kong for 10 months. My duties are still taking care of 2 boys, ages 8 and 9-year-old. And then after 10 months, we relocated to China. They brought me to China, and then I stayed there for 3 years with them, from 2018 until 2021. And my duties were still the same, household chores, taking care of the 2 boys, and then doing the cleaning, laundry, cooking, and teach them English, reading them English books, stories. I hope that you are going to hire me. I am a very reliable person, an honest person, and very hardworking, trustworthy, and hoping that you are going to pick me. And I will do my very best as a domestic helper. And thank you and good day.